Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Spark Driver. Begin by downloading the Spark Driver app from your phone's app store. It is available for both Apple and Android devices. You will then need to complete a simple online application, which includes providing some personal details and consenting to a background check. Make sure your vehicle meets the necessary criteria, such as being in good working order and having current insurance. To get started smoothly, the approval process usually takes a few business days. Once approved, you will start receiving delivery offers on your Spark Driver app. Each offer clearly displays the estimated earnings, the pickup store, the drop-off location, and the total mileage you will cover. Pay close attention to the details of each offer before accepting, as some are single deliveries while others are batched orders with multiple stops. Batched orders often provide greater earnings for a similar amount of driving time. When you accept an order, the app provides clear navigation to the Walmart store's designated pickup area. Upon arrival, use the app to check in, and store associates will bring the items directly to your car for loading. After confirming your order is complete, proceed to the customer's address using the built-in navigation. Remember to follow any specific delivery instructions and obtain a signature or photo confirmation when the app requests it, ensuring a smooth handoff. To maximize your earnings, strive for excellent customer service, as higher ratings can lead to more consistent offers. Consider driving during peak hours, such as lunch, dinner, and weekend mornings, when demand is often much higher and incentives are more frequent. Spark Driver payments, including tips, are typically processed weekly, usually deposited directly into your bank account on Tuesdays. Consistently delivering efficiently and professionally will enhance your experience and income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.